once again, it can't get any easier. You walk right out of the port of Naples, which is the largest in Italy, and there you are. Main city is right in front of us. Buongiorno and welcome to Naples. We are supposed to join a walking tour. If the walking tour is off, we'll just walk around by ourselves. So come join us in Naples. I remember a very old comment they used to say, "See Naples and die." Well, I hope that's not literally the case. Come with us today on a gorgeous day. Okay. Another Fountain of Neptune.
Where is your hotel?
In the Piazza Municipale.
We don't accept the
Built in
fountain is always in the
1631.
same place. So what happened?
That is our guide Sylvia. Trivia. The Margherita Pizza was named after Queen Margherita Teresa Giovanni after her visit to Naples in 1889. You can see the Italian flag in the colors. Basil for green, cheese is white, and red is tomato sauce. They're building a metro station there, and underneath, as they excavated, like everywhere in Italy and Greece, they found the ruins of the original Roman port of Neapolis and 7 Roman ships.
So we start from here to arrive to the historical center. Napoli del Samore was born because many people, they come in Naples and they say, but I in Naples too. And this place, what is it?
It's beautiful. Galleria Umberto.
Here, but we have the most part of them, they are out. In order to give the light to the theater.
That is not a Star of David, but it's a symbol of the Freemasons. Umberto was a Freemason. The oldest opera house.
It's not the case, I think. It's just...
See, the theater was built in 1737. The most famous bar in Italy. If you're a celeb, you go there.
The tradition that when celebrities they come to take a coffee or the cup of tea or when after the unification they changed the name.
The Royal
because
Palace.
Vittorio Emanuele, the king, the Italian king, he was there on this balcony on the Royal Palace to ask to everybody, Napolitans, are you happy to be Italians? And of course, when you have a gun against you, you are obliged to say, yes, I'm very happy to be Italians now.
Via Toledo, the shopping street.
The medieval walls that we had here before. The medieval walls, there was the limit of the city before. He wanted to give space to Via Toledo.
Via Toledo is the most important shopping street in Naples. It is 1.2 kilometers long. Via Toledo runs from Piazza Dante and ends at Piazza Trieste in Trento, or go the opposite way. It's fortunately pedestrian, but still watch out for motorcycles. It's been a while since I've seen anybody selling flowers. Great looking cannolis, except I have a little hint. Don't ever eat anything that's been sitting out in the sun. Take it from me, a victim of food poisoning many times. Wow, look at those shoes.
I suggest you to taste the Sfogliatella because it's a typical pastry in Naples that was born in Amalfi Coast. Well, it was in 1700. 1 century.
This is the place that's known for that particular pastry. I love meringue. Old palazzos everywhere. There is absolutely too much noise on the street to get an actual tour from anybody. Great design on their bags. It's a keeper. It's a Spanish company.
Scusa, quanto costano questi?
This store has many different items with the little red horn, which cannot be purchased for oneself, only as a gift. It is considered an item to ward off any magical influence, evil, malignancy. The horn has ancient origins since Neolithic times. They used to affix a horn at the entrance of huts for fertility. The original structure of the castle dates back to 1279. Charles I of Anjou engaged an architect to build a new royal residence in addition to 2 castles already standing at the time. After his triumphant entry to the town in 1443, Alfonso the Magnanimous altered the appearance of the fortress, using masters from Catalonia and Turin. The new ground plan is still visible today. It's trapezoidal and surrounded by a wide ditch. They sure knew how to build them in those days, didn't they? Look at this door. Was a moat around the castle inhabited by crocodiles who would eat the prisoners. First they thought that was just a legend, but then they've actually found a crocodile skull. Steve and I were here on the Amalfi Coast in 2002, and we flew into Naples and then took the boat that stopped at Amalfi, spent almost a week and a half on the Amalfi Coast and ended in Sorrento, and then visited Pompeii. You just buy a ferry ticket and off you go. You can easily do it yourself and get to the Amalfi Coast or Sorrento or Capri in one day. As you can see, to get to Amalfi from Naples is a whopping €9.10. Big, clean, nice terminal. And it's farewell to Naples.